The wait is almost over, and this time, it feels different. The upcoming DJI Pocket 4 isn't just another yearly refresh, it's shaping up to be one of the most meaningful upgrades the Pocket lineup has ever seen. From how it's being sold to what's inside the camera, everything points to a product that's designed with real creators in mind. Let's start with what's happening right now. As of April 4th, 2026, offline pre-orders have already quietly gone live across mainland China through authorized DJI dealers. But this isn't your typical online checkout process. Retailers are handling orders through WeChat and direct communication, creating a more personal, almost insider-style buying experience. It's all first come, first served. So early buyers are locking in their units before most of the world even sees the official announcement. And that announcement? It's expected on or before April 20th, with retail stock arriving in China around the same time. If you're outside China, you won't be waiting much longer. A global launch, including the US, is expected in mid to late April, with pre-orders likely going live on familiar platforms like Amazon and B&H. The device has already cleared FCC certification, so there's no doubt it's coming. Now here's where things get interesting. DJI is using a blind pre-order system. That means buyers are placing orders without knowing the full specs or even the final price. It sounds risky, but there's a safety net. Customers can cancel once all the details are officially revealed. Still, it shows just how confident DJI is and how strong the demand already is. In fact, late buyers may end up waiting for a second batch if initial stock runs out quickly. Another big clue that launch is imminent? Retail boxes, including the Creator Combo, are already sitting in stores and warehouses. That's usually the final step before a product hits shelves. So what exactly are people rushing to buy? At the heart of the Pocket 4 is a massive upgrade, a 1-inch CMOS sensor. For a camera this small, that's a huge deal. It means significantly better image quality, especially in low light. Pair that with an impressive 14 stops of dynamic range, and you're looking at footage that holds detail in both bright highlights and deep shadows, something content creators care about more than just resolution numbers. Speaking of quality, DJI is also bringing 10-bit D-Log recording into the mix. This gives creators far more flexibility in color grading, making the Pocket 4 not just a casual vlogging camera, but a serious tool for professional workflows. Then there's storage, one of the most underrated but impactful upgrades. The Pocket 4 comes with 107 gigabytes of built-in high-speed storage, capable of transfer speeds up to 800 megabytes per second. In simple terms, that means no more worrying about micro SD cards, faster transfers, smoother workflow, less hassle. On the shooting side, DJI is focusing on practical features. You get 2 times lossless zoom, which uses hardware instead of digital cropping, so your image quality stays sharp. ActiveTrack 7.0 promises even smarter subject tracking, making it easier to stay in frame whether you're walking, running, or filming on the move. Audio also gets a major boost with Osmo Audio 4-channel recording. Combined with expected microphone accessories in the Creator Combo, this turns the Pocket 4 into a complete content creation setup, not just a camera. And of course, DJI keeps its signature 3-axis gimbal stabilization, along with a rotatable touchscreen that makes switching between vertical and horizontal shooting effortless, perfect for today's mix of TikTok, YouTube, and everything in between. When it comes to video, the Pocket 4 caps out at 4K at 120 frames per second. That's excellent for smooth, slow-motion shots. Despite earlier rumors, there's no 6K recording here. If that ever comes, it'll likely be in a future Pro version. But honestly, this decision makes sense. DJI is clearly prioritizing usability and performance over chasing higher resolution numbers. As for pricing, leaks suggest the standard version will land between $499 and $599, while the Creator Combo could range from $649 to $749. Considering everything packed inside, it positions the Pocket 4 as a powerful yet accessible tool for creators. And that's really the key takeaway. The DJI Pocket 4 isn't trying to impress with flashy specs alone. It's focused on real-world improvements, better image quality, faster workflow, smarter tracking, and more complete audio. In short, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a shift toward making compact cameras truly professional without losing their simplicity. The name alone stirs curiosity. DJI Air 4. A leaked image started it all, what's believed to be a DJI Air 4 prototype. And not just any unit, but reportedly a crashed test drone. Yeah, it's not the smoothest first impression, but the real value in that photo isn't the accident. It's the visible design details that might hint at where DJI is heading next. From the top-down view, the Air 4 looks different, sharper, more aggressive. The body seems refined, the lines more confident, and the arms noticeably thicker than the Air 3's. That single glimpse alone suggests DJI is cooking up something sturdier, possibly smarter, and definitely bolder. Rumor has it, those thicker arms could be doing more than just bulking up the frame. Observers spotted what might be additional obstacle avoidance sensors on the top. Now that is exciting. DJI's Air 3 was already praised for its decent obstacle detection, but it didn't offer full coverage. If these leaks are right, the Air 4 might take a step closer to Mavic-level intelligence and safety. That means a pilot could fly through forests, busy streets, or tight, unpredictable spaces with more confidence than ever before. The company has long been refining its flight autonomy, but this feels different. This feels like DJI pushing the Air series into new territory, where flight safety and smarts rival their premium lineup. Stronger obstacle avoidance wouldn't just make flying safer, it would unlock new creative possibilities. For filmmakers, vloggers, or anyone chasing cinematic tracking shots, extra obstacle sensing could be a game changer. Imagine confident automatic tracking through trees or cityscapes. Fewer interruptions, smoother movements, and more freedom to focus on the story rather than the sticks. And speaking of storytelling, here's the part creators care about most: the camera. That's the centerpiece of every DJI product curiosity, and this one's no different. While no official specs have been confirmed, the rumor mill is in overdrive. Many leaks point to a larger, more capable sensor, with some predicting a jump to the highly desirable 1-inch sensor. Now that's a big deal. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, a richer dynamic range, and finer details across scenes that shift from bright to shadow in seconds. In short, purer, cleaner footage that feels cinematic right out of the sky. Even if DJI decides to stay under that 1-inch threshold, insiders say the Air 4's camera will still be an upgrade over the Air 3. The focus, it seems, is on video shooters. Expect strong 4K performance, possibly with higher frame rates for slow-motion flexibility. Improvements in HDR and color profiles are also rumored, making footage look vibrant and natural even before post-production. DJI's latest trend is towards smarter in-camera image processing, which means less editing stress afterwards. For creators who want to capture and post beautiful footage right away, YouTubers, travel vloggers, documentary shooters, that alone could be a massive win. Then there's the lifeblood of any drone, battery life. While details remain foggy, word has it that DJI is revising the Air 4's design to stretch flight time even further. Those thicker arms might hold a larger battery, or the company could be experimenting with more efficient motors. The outcome could mean not just longer flights, but stronger stability in wind and trickier conditions. Another hallmark of DJI's quiet but steady evolution. What makes the Air series so loved is its balance, the sweet spot between power and portability. The Air 4 seems poised to maintain that tradition, only now with deeper intelligence, stronger performance, and sleeker form. Pilots trust the Air drones because they pack professional features without being overwhelming. They're light enough for travel but strong enough for serious work. If DJI pulls off these rumored upgrades, the Air 4 might become one of their most balanced creations yet. Now, when can we expect it? That's still part of the mystery. Leaks vary. Some point toward a late 2025 release, others whisper early 2026. With the Air 3 and Air 3S still performing well in the market, it's unlikely DJI wants to announce something too soon and risk cutting into its own sales. Their strategy has always been about pacing. Let current models thrive, then drop something irresistible. So don't expect a big reveal just yet, but pay attention. Leak season may heat up as the year closes. As for pricing, no one knows yet. But here's the most sensible prediction. DJI will position the Air 4 slightly above the Air 3, keeping it premium but safely below the flagship Mavic line. That middle ground has made the Air series such a hit, powerful enough for pros, practical enough for travelers. It's that sweet balance that defines the Air spirit. So, what does it all add up to? Even from rumors alone, the DJI Air 4 looks like a meaningful evolution. Not a revolution, but a smart, thoughtful step forward. Better sensing, advanced processing, improved design, and a stronger camera setup all point to a drone built for real-world creativity and reliability. If you already own the Air 3, you might not need to rush the upgrade. But if you're waiting for your next all-rounder, compact, dependable, powerful, keep your eyes on this one. Because if the leaks hold true, the DJI Air 4 isn't just another iteration. It could be the drone that redefines what mid-range really means. The perfect flight between power and freedom.